Hi everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be swatching the Morphe 39S eyeshadow palette. Such a gem. It is so beautiful. Pinks, purples. There's not much to say about this palette other than it is still available on the Morphe website, and it's going to be a long swatch video because there are so many shades in this palette. 39 shades to be exact, so let's just get straight to swatching. I thought for a minute there I was gonna run out of arm space, and I almost did. Lucky I started up as far as I did at the beginning. Well, that's all the swatches, you guys. Thanks for watching this video. Let me know in the comments below if you like this palette, if you have this palette, if you have used this palette. I have a couple of videos on my channel where I have used it. I will leave them linked down below. So go check those out if you'd like to see it in action on the face. But yeah, that's it for this video. Thanks guys so much for watching. Like it if you did, subscribe if you haven't, and I shall see you all in my next video. Bye!